Ooh, solving for x, the eternal quest for x. We'd like to find the value of x that makes the statement true, also known as the solution. To do so, we're going to undo everything that has been done to x. Now, -7 is really close. That's the best friend. -4 is not. -4 is the outsider and the weakest link. The one that's far, move it. Undo subtraction with addition. Keep both sides balanced. 31 plus 4, well, we know that's 35. Next, we're going to reverse -7. -7 is so close, it's being multiplied. We reverse multiplication with division. And we know that a positive divided by a negative is negative. So our answer is -5. We could check it. We could plug it back into the original statement and make sure that the left matches the right. But let's move on. Okay, there is more than one way to go here. Some of us would distribute, some of us would divide. Well, I would divide, but I think a lot of people would distribute. We get rid of fractions, we don't have any. We could distribute. -3 times 3x, -9x. -3 times 4, -12. Okay, if I want to get to x, 12 is far. I'm going to undo subtraction with the inverse addition. Treat both sides equally. 60 and 12 makes 72. -9 is so close, we reverse multiplication with division, giving us an answer, -8. We could check it. If we plug it back into the original statement, then the left should match the right. But we're moving on. Girls don't like to wait. So 6x, take away an x, take away 2x, take away 3x. Well, if you combine like terms, you're left with nothing. You could call it 0x if you wanted to, but you're really just left with nothing. And 0 times anything is 0. We're looking for the answer, the value of x that will make 0 equal to 15. Well, there is no such value of x, and we would conclude that there is no solution. Now, another way of saying this, if the x's vanish, you ask yourself, is the statement true or false? If it's true, your answer is all real numbers. If it's false, as this is, your answer is no solution. Another one, we're looking for two answers because the degree or the highest power of x is 2. We undo the square with the square root. And the square root of 144, well, it's not just 12, it's plus or minus 12. When you solve a squared equation with the square root, we consider both positive and negative roots, because -12 times -12 also makes 144. One more. Oh, how nice. This one's already factored, and the factors are set equal to 0. By the zero product property, you could set each factor equal to 0. And if x plus 7 is the factor, what is the answer? Well, you move 7 with subtraction. The answer is the opposite, -7. If x minus 3 is the factor, what's the answer? +3. Okay, and we could check these. We're done for now.